Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on CoinMarketCap. So all you need to do is to log in or sign up, create an account, and then in your account you can see the top and the trending cryptocurrency, and then you need to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. For example, Bitcoin. You click on it, and then you can see here buy Bitcoin, buy on Bitcoin, buy on BC Game, buy on, you can choose whatever option you want, and then you press on it, and then you can see how much you will need to spend and how much you will receive. You can change this to any amount you want. You can also change the currency, and then you need to log in to Binance if you have Binance account, else you can choose any other options from those. And then all you need to do is to follow the instruction and then complete the payment, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.